Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to automate your team's process without writing a single line of code? In this video, I'll show you how to build a simple workflow in Bitrix24. First, go to your Bitrix24 menu and find the Automation or Workflows section. Look for the Business Processes tool. Click to create a new process. You'll see a visual editor with a blank canvas. This is where you'll build your workflow. Start by dragging a task block onto the canvas. This could be the first step, like review client requests. Now, connect it to the next step. Drag over an email block. Set it up to automatically send a confirmation message. When the first task is completed, you can add condition blocks to create different paths. For example, if the client is new, send a welcome email. If they're existing, send an update. Finally, set the trigger. Choose what starts this workflow, like when a new deal is created in your CRM or a new task is added. Save and activate your workflow. Now your process will run automatically every time the trigger happens, and that's it. You've just built a custom workflow that handles repetitive tasks for you and your team. If you automate a process with this, let me know what you've built in the comments. See you in the next one.